This is absolutely crazy. A snake actually started eating its own body. It's unbelievable. What could possibly make a snake turn on itself like that? Would its stomach acid digest its own flesh? The snake bit its tail and began swallowing it whole. At first glance it looked like it was eating another snake. But look closer. This snake was actually devouring itself. In just a short time, it swallowed more than half of its body. Was the snake starving out of its mind? If that was the case, you'd never expect this to happen in a zoo. Yes. A captive snake was eating itself. It's totally baffling. In just minutes, the snake swallowed over half its body. The zookeepers were terrified. They rushed to rescue the snake before it was too late.